used to shoe a hole. Now they're wrapped around a mouth, still walking the same course. And Daddy never taught me options, taught me how to bleed in me. So some wound don't heal unless you go back in again. 6 acres and a farmhouse older than my grandpa's name. The wife's got more faith in me than I've got in this game. I've took the losses like a gut shot, watched the good ones run. Learned the hardest lessons come from stops I shouldn't run. So I draw it back like a broadhead aimed at heaven. Every red day is just a lesson, every green day's redemption. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. Bled for this country, came home and bled some more. I learned the mark is just another silent, honest war. No parade for profit payouts, no medal for the pain. Just a daddy at his kid's game, instead of drowning in the rain. They don't see the nights I sat here, staring at the screen, praying for a green print like it's the only thing between who I was and who I'm trying hard to be. It ain't about the money, it's about being free. So I draw it back like a broadhead aimed at heaven. Every scar's a story, every setback's a lesson. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. Discipline's my scripture, patience is my gun. Full draw, hold steady, this is how it's done. Let's go to full draw.